Hey guys, are you looking for a 3-story new construction home priced under $500,000 here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we're going to be checking out the plan 2226, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to Cameron Heights, one of the newest KB 3-story communities here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now this community is located, the cross streets are going to be Decatur and Cactus, so we're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and Strip. Easy access to the freeway, great location guys. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 4 different floor plans, all 3-story homes, again, ranging from 1651 square feet to 2302 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $419,990 all the way up to $469,990. Now guys, when you see base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included. Most lots here are gonna be, the lot premiums are gonna be about $5,000 to $8,000. And as far as the upgrades go, most people are going to be spending about 10% of the base price, okay? So you could go well below that, well above that. It's really up to you. The way they're doing it here, they just opened up about 2 weeks ago. As of right now, they still have like, they released 12 lots. 6 of them were dirt lots where you could build from dirt. 6 of them were spec homes. They still have 3 spec homes left. So they have been selling good amount of homes since they've opened up, okay? Couple of things as far as regarding the HOA. So HOA is $48 a month. It is not gated, but you know, you do have like 2 parks here. There are 45 homes in the area, and the average lot size is going to be 54 by 31. Now with these homes, they also build these floor plan, these models over in Summerlin. But in Summerlin, they don't have side yards. In this community, they're going to have side yards. So that's important for you guys who like have pets. KB, they pride themselves on building from dirt lot. So even though they do have spec homes, most of the buyers are going to be building their house from dirt. That way they could pick out all their options. But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 2226. Now this is going to be 3-story, 3-bedroom and a loft, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. And the base price as of today is $462,990. Now guys, you'll also, if you're building from dirt, you'll have a choice between 3 different elevations you could choose from. Now remember, elevation is just how the exterior looks. Now depending on which elevation you choose, whether it's A, B, and C, the base price kind of is different per elevation, okay? All right, let's check it out. So on this first floor, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings. The middle floor is going to be 9-foot ceilings, and the top floor is going to be 8 feet, okay? So welcome in. So you can see you got the 2-panel door, that's standard right there. We're going to have your coat closet right here. Now this sheet, this is going to tell you all the upgrades that was done to this model house, okay? So look, so they got the baseboard, 4.5-inch baseboard. You got the 8x8 sliding glass door. Okay, the 42-inch cabinets. Let's see here. Okay, and then also too, I believe this is like an optional 4th bedroom. So they went with they did upgrade this. Okay, it's gonna be like a full-size bed. Yeah, so this bedroom right here, I mean, you know, if you bought this house and you wanted to rent out one of the rooms, I'm sure somebody wouldn't mind renting out the this bottom floor. just because a little bit of separation, right? But then you also have this side yard, but it can only be accessed from right here. So you got your walk-in closet. You can have your full bath, shower tub combo, fiberglass. Okay. Upgraded cabinets, countertop, fixtures. Now guys, what comes standard as far as flooring in these KB homes is you're going to have pretty much carpet all throughout the house, and then you'll have the 17 by 17 ceramic tile only in the wet areas. Most buyers, they'll upgrade the flooring. They don't want carpet. Most buyers just want to keep the carpet on the stairs in the bedrooms, and they'll have like hard flooring all throughout the house. Either vinyl plank or tile like this. Okay, so when you walk up, this is what you see. You'll automatically be greeted by this kitchen, very spacious living room and dining room area. So very spacious here on this floor. This is gonna be your pantry. Again, 9-foot ceilings. Okay, and look, you have plenty of cabinets right over here. Looks like they went with the optional backsplash. Okay, nice upgraded quartz. Plenty of windows as well. Okay, so you got these windows. You have this door to the balcony, those windows, and then that door as well. So as far as the appliances go, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. I believe this is standard right here. So you're gonna have this Whirlpool like oven, cooktop, and then the microwave. You also have your Whirlpool dishwasher. Okay. Now as far as what's standard in the kitchen, you'll have a granite countertop. So this is upgraded quartz countertop. And you also have like the couple selections you could choose for cabinets. It's like the maple colorways. So if you want something a little bit more modern, you want like white cabinets, gray cabinets, that is upgraded. 42-inch cabinets, which they are right here, that is upgraded as well. Otherwise, it is the standard 36-inch. Okay, and then you have so it does exhaust. The air goes out of the house. Okay, so you have nice shaker style cabinets. All right. Okay. Oh, so we got your powder room in here. Okay. Nice. Look at this. Look at this wall right here. The wallpaper. Yep. Nice little window as well. But yeah, I really like this area. Look at this. Very spacious living room. Okay. Got a nice little balcony. All right. Now, if you guys are thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, guys, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're already working with a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure they know that you're interested in new build community. Just don't go there on your very first visit by yourself, because the builder agent is going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. And once they have that, they are going to register you in the system without a realtor. Now, once you're registered without a realtor, they won't let you have representation down the road. and the builder agents look after the builder's best interests. So, you know, definitely get yourself some representation. All right, so we're here, top floor. We got the 8-foot ceilings. Okay, laundry room. Gonna be up here as well. Washer and dryer is not included. Nice, we got a loft area. Okay, so linen closet. Okay, so we have the loft. We have the primary bedroom. And then, I'm sorry, so you got one bedroom here. Oh, okay. So, you know what? No, this is a, so yeah, this is a 3-bedroom. No, but you know what? You could actually, it could be a 4th bedroom. You could change this loft into a 4th bedroom, I believe. Welcome to the full bath. Okay, shower tub combo, fiberglass. And you're gonna have your guest bedroom right here. Now this is gonna be about 10 by 11. So it looks like you have the attic access up there. It's gonna be where your air filters are. You do have a transfer grill right here, so it regulates the airflow. So that way, like, doors won't just like automatically shut if there's any like wind. Okay, nice cool loft. And as far as pre-wire to the ceiling fan, you'll get that. It'll be standard in the great room as well as the primary bedroom. But yeah, if you wanted it like in the loft and the other bedrooms, you do have to add that on there. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay. So we have walk-in closet right here. Okay. So it's gonna be a king-size bed. So plenty of space. I do like this look when it looks like you got the planks on the walls. I think that looks really cool. Okay, so you got your little TV set up right here. So this is the upgraded shower. So you got the little seat. We got the upgraded black fixtures as well. Okay, dual sinks. So you will get 2 sinks. And then you'll have your toilet room. Nice little window. All right, guys, that is it. That wraps it up for the plan 22-26. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you have any questions regarding the incentives or you just need help through the process, guys, give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below. Until then, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys next video.